Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my people. The sad news when does the trend since yesterday say Dr. Oguname don die. Say this one so na really tori when dem talk say this man he don really die after 4 days when he pack him load comot for Germany so go Nigeria. After dem do am well warming, like dem really celebrate am, e no do im going back to Nigeria quietly. E go there like people come out for am, come praise am well well. But the sad news na say we come dey hear after 4 days when e reach Nigeria say e don die. So according to a reliable source, a close member, like a close family to am, wey come out come tell us say Dr. Oguname know say im go die, na im make am comot for Germany. So say dem don bin cancel im flight so many times, but im still dey rebook because im know say im time don reach, na im make am go Nigeria. Say im talk say e wan for take kpai for Benin, so na im make am say as e just land e just go Benin straight. After dem do that dance and all those things, na im Dr. Oguname come kpai because im don know say im wan go, because according to the source so dem talk say im don dey talk am say e don get calling, say dem don dey call am for the spirit world say im time don up, say na im make am come comot for Germany so come go Nigeria. May his soul rest in peace, because this one e really touch so many people. Like e dey so unbelievable say this man go just dey like this, no sickness, no nothing, e just kpai just like that. So na the source na im come tell us say na im make am come go Nigeria. So say even when dem cancel im flight, e no still gree. E say no, e must go back, say im time don up. So dem come talk say im don already know, don plan and map everything out, na im make am come go Nigeria. But other people come still dey talk say na that thing when e talk for IBO na im still kpai am, say im for no carry talk, say im too over talk, na im make am go kpai for Naija. So say assuming say e talk that talk, e for just remain for im Germany, so e for no go Nigeria, na im make IBO people come for am. But na wetin the reliable source tell us say no be so, say im don know say im go, na im make am go house make e for rest well for there, so that dem no go carry im body from Germany go Nigeria. Say na for there so na im wan for take kpai, make im body dey ground for im motherland soil when e for come. Na the tori na I say make I carry come bring come give una. So na im be the update so for today's story on Dr. Oguname. So may God give im family a mind to take bear the great loss, and also may his soul rest in perfect peace, because e no easy say person after e don do im spirituality for abroad come still come back Nigeria under how many days. So na im just take go. Well, as dem talk say im don know say im go, make we still follow am dey pray make the Lord accept im soul, and also give im wife, because I hear say na 3 children na im still get for the abroad. So make God give im wife the comfort to bear the loss, because e no easy. Say one person alone dey take 2 person alone dey take care of pikin for the abroad. We know as e be, e no easy at all, my brother, my sister. Make e come be say na only her now come dey cater for 3 healthy children. May God give her the strength and comfort to pull through, and also may Dr. Oguname soul rest in peace as he don prepare for im death. So may God still accept im soul. So na the tori now I say make I carry come bring for una ear this morning. Make I give una the update on wetin dey go on. Abeg my brother, my sister, if una don watch reach this time, so make una abeg subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also share this video, share am. Thank una so much for always coming back. For all my returnees, God bless una. Thank una until I see una again for my next video. May una stay blessed and remain okay. My name na Nne Amaka Ileche TV. Thank you and God bless. Bye.
I greet you with peace and love. I am with the beloved son of our legends, J Tunes, and we are having a very wonderful time. He also just invited me now for the birthday of our beloved legends, Ipao Sayamori Joseph. Please, everyone be there. Dr. Oguname will also be there. And I thank you all for your welcoming messages. I thank you. It was really a warm welcoming. Yes, it was really a warm welcoming, and we appreciate you. And we thank you all for your love and your support. Yeah. Thank you.
My people, how on a day now? Wakoyo Egwatua Epa is home. Dr. Oguname is home. Yes, he's welcome home. Today we are just trying to relax and do Idiemi because Dr. Oguname deserves Idiemi. He deserves Idiemi.